is my shepherd. I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He restoreth my soul. Bow down, bow down. Bow down to Jesus' bidding. I kid you not, the Lord is not kidding. Burn in heaven, burn in heaven, burn in heaven, burn. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He restoreth my soul. Bow down, bow down. Bow down to Jesus' bidding. I kid you not, the Lord is not kidding. Burn in heaven, burn in heaven.
What is in my pocket?
Burn in heaven, burn. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He restoreth my soul. Bow down, bow down. Bow down to Jesus' bidding. I kid you not, the Lord is not kidding. Burn in heaven, burn in heaven, burn in heaven, burn. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He restoreth my soul. Bow down, bow down. Bow down to Jesus' bidding. I kid you not, the Lord is not kidding. Burn in heaven, burn in heaven, burn in heaven, burn. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He restoreth my soul. Bow down, bow down. Bow down to Jesus' bidding. I kid you not, the Lord is not kidding. Burn in heaven, burn in heaven, burn in heaven, burn. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He restoreth my soul.
There's no way to say this.
Bow down,
other than
bow down.
Hi.
Bow down to Jesus' bidding. I kid you not, the Lord.
I can't help myself. It was fun. I thought I was having fun. I still think I'm having fun. You can't tell me it's not fun. And if you try to tell me it's not fun, I'll tell you you're not me. And you're wrong. You got bad taste.
My shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He restoreth my soul.
There's two of me. Because this is my browser, and I just kind of like hid me off of it.
Bow down.
See, it was a browser.
Bow down to Jesus.
We just found trippy practical art. Practical. Okay, here's the thing. I walked by my computer briefly earlier when I was like running a stress test, and I'd come to check on it after it had been trying to reapply, a memory clock that didn't work for gosh knows how long. But I just walked away from it, and when I came back, it was eating itself. And so, yeah, now we're here. I don't know.
Bow down! Bow down! Bow down to Jesus' bidding. I kid you not, the Lord
I'm
is
about
not kidding.
this close to making us a react stream and automating the fuck out of moderating the fucking kick myself right now. I'm like right the fuck at it. I'm holding this thought. I'm about to. Like, y'all, fuck it. I'm gonna check something. I'm gonna see if someone's written an OL interface, an OLLAMA interface already. Because if there's a llama interface for StreamerBot, we are about to go fucking down.
Burn in heaven! Burn in heaven! Burn in heaven!
Okay, and I have to make a script for
I
it?
shall not want.
Can't
To
I?
lie down in green pastures, you restored my soul.
Why? Oh, okay. Oh, it's actually giving me its Python interface. Well, that's really cute. I like that. Big respect. That's sweet. Okay. Right, click the current location in the terminal. So the StreamerBot directory. So here's what I'm doing, okay? I'm putting everything in words. I'm putting everything into words. I'm putting everything into a directory. I'm like about to do. Y'all don't know what the fuck I'm having to do to like moderate the fucking kick right now. I'm about to like make this a lot easier on myself. That's what I'm about to do. It's the only one I don't have automated, so it's not like it's hard to just like compartmentalize a bit of my focus for it. Alright. Thank you. I'm not sorry. Thank you for letting me have fun though. I appreciated it. I had a good time. I hope you had a good time, because I had a good time. I thought that was what I'd call good fun. Hold on, I'm grabbing the dashboard for all of the random stream stuff just in case, because I've learned not to trust computers, even if I automate everything with love. Merde. Okay, fuck, it didn't update the stream title. Fucking tits. But the commands to do it works. And then it uses the twatch as like command and control for it. I did name the stream phyllis schlafly mode because y'all, like, y'all don't know it yet unless you do. Like, here's the thing. She has tenacity. I have tenacity. Here's the thing, right? Check it out. I don't give a fuck if you don't like what she's done with her time. I think the thing that we need to state and stand by is that she has gumption. Yo, it didn't update the kick. Okay, well now I did it myself. Phyllis schlafly mode. Anywho's, it's day this many of me realizing that Kick is still really kind to its like users. I tried to put things into folders. I don't think we're gonna care very much today, but I still wanted to do it, so I did it. But mind you, then there's stuff that's not in a folder. That's kind of just for us while we're thinking through stuff. I wanted to play Trisha's song while I read some bullshit with you.
Dear
Not that loud though.
O.J. Simpson, here's a few things I want to mention. Now that you're free, I made this beat to get your attention. I've been loving you for a while. Let's all forget about the child. You're a free man now. Let's get together now, so come on and feel me now. Come on and feel me now. I've been single for a minute. Let's be real. You've been single
I can't help it. It's 2025, and Mrs. Schlafly has the kind of gumption and ire that I genuinely would like to be able to evoke in anything I put my time to. Like, I want to be able to stand down something with righteous indignation and the unrelenting ire of a bitch who does not need to be tested in anything I do. Like, and I won't like go that hard. I'm not like, you know, what's the word? I don't care, right? But I mean, I care about some things, but that's neither here nor there. What I'm trying to do now is one of the many things I care about, which is stuff to computers. Alright, so I already moved some of the streamer bot stuff. So I guess I should just keep using the new directory, right? Why don't I just open Notepad here? Y'all are nearly to the point where I'm almost willing to share my GitHub with you, or the GitHub we have locally and my local Git stuff with you. We're almost there as a people together. We're getting there, but don't push it. We're getting there. Oh, do I not have Vim? Oh shit. Can I get Vim with Wingit? Not to be weird, but can I? I don't have time to fix stuff for the stream outside of when I'm streaming, so not sorry. Oh. I need to I need to wait till Vess is here. I have good news that Vess gets the context for. I don't know if anyone is like new or has been here for a minute, but it's like an old, long-standing thing I finally did, and I'm super fucking excited. I had to answer a question. Okay, I need to make a Python file. Wait, I want to open a new folder. Yeah, I want to open a folder, and then I want to make a Git repo in this thing. And I want to not index some of the directories, and those directories are going to actually be the OBS plugins ones. I want to not do that. Or at least the OBS binary one. Like, I could technically ingest data, kind of, because that might be like reasonable, but I don't want to, you know? Chadig, my dudes? Okay, cool. Let's see. I tuned computer. I had fun. I'm actually running my game of preference right now while we're streaming without any real issue. Things seem fine. Here, let's also stream to X. I don't know if, like, of course I don't assume that Mr. Musk will ever look at our stream, but jokingly I will say we are going to stream on his platform, so in the event he does ever look at the stream, that he'll at least know that there's people who like fucking doing Python, like, live on camera. I guess. We need more gems. Well, that was Trisha. See, I've learned how to start the stream better. Just by doing stream maintenance shit. Honestly. Oh my gosh. Yes. Okay, hold on. Give me like 10 seconds. I got you. We're gonna do some shit together. We're going hard together as a crew. I installed Vim. What did I install Vim for? Oh, for some shit. Well, that's bananas, bruh. Absolutely bananas. What the fuck? What the fuck, brother? What the fuck, bro? Oh, it's GVim? Who the fuck wants that bullshit? Who the fuck are people these days? Can I just open it with code? VS Code? Oh, I love you. What a good one. Okay, so I need to give it a, where did I put the kick mod window? There we go. I need to program for signing as GPT-2. Signing key is empty. Name and email are empty, so let's fix that. Let's set it up. Let's get all cozy and ready for this. There we go. My Vim config is super silly done. I've had this for years, okay? I'm one of those people with like a Vim config and a Git config that go way back. And it like, I load my git config.local and I have my like git messages file of preference that templates how to write messages. I'm such a nerd. Like I'm in between like management things for this and I'm about to tool out again. So, you know, my favorite alias in Git is, I'm gonna paste it in chat so you can see that I'm a fucking loser. Hey homie, I was gonna tell you something. Oh yeah, guess what I did? Though I still haven't put the soundboard in, guess what I did today? I normalized all the audio for the whole goddamn thing. Like, I'm not even kidding. Okay, so I found this as a funny little inside-outside joke, right? So, if it's git clone, Kamino's where the clones come from in Star Wars. Yeah, all the audio's normalized. I learned how to do it with Audacity, so I just kind of picked the directory and set it while I was running my video game, while I was benchmarking my computer, or stress testing my computer, after tuning it like a goofball. You would be proud, I think. Maybe. I don't know. My tummy hurts. Oh, there we go. That's better. Alright, I just edited the git config.local. And, ooh, do I need to bring that up again? No, I do. Right. Oh, that, just trust me. And I need to be reminded to put the similar, I need to update stuff. Like, I need to see what I can do on Kick, like redeem-wise, etc. I need to also probably be super lazy about it and just yank all of my assets off of the YouTube. I'm pretty sure those are the appropriate scale, size, etc. And then the emoji, etc. Those are almost all entirely stored on Discord as well. And I can snag their highest quality from something if I can't, so it's fine. One of the two. I'm trying to give Kick kind of parity with everything else, and I'm trying to fix up everything else too. We're getting there, and as you can see, we have no crackly audio, not while running the game. I've tuned this thing like a bitch. I've been giving it tests for power, VRAM consumption, RAM consumption, read and write on disk. I've been cranking that. So what I did is my base clock is about 94, which is a big thing for stability with my particular bit of hardware. I went ahead and I think I turned AVX on, which was defaulting to off. Made sure I had, you know, undervolt protection on. And let's see. I ended up kicking, like, what, 0.02 volts up the CPU. And just tuning out the E-core and P-core, or E-core and, yeah, E and P-core ratios. So from, like, 6.5 to, like, what, 6.8, I think? Right. Right, brother. Right. You know what's up. I was waiting for your ass to mention it because I thought that was super cool, and I thought maybe, just maybe, your ass might dig it. And genuinely, I think your ass might dig it because it's pretty fucking solid, and you fucking know it is. So, I don't fucking know. I had fun doing it. Shit was cozy as fuck. No regrets. I'm also gonna be containerizing as much of, not containerizing, well, containerizing services that'll support OBS, like static, HTML, etc. Like, we're gonna make this shit fucking go harder. We're not fucking this time. We're done with this shit. Like, Get in my way once, shame on you. Get in my way thrice, bitch, we're running you through. That's what, that's what Grandmama would say in the old country. How are you? What are you up to? How's your day? What you been up to? We do have a no DMCA tab group. We have a watching weird one. And we have an only good for today one, where this person from yesterday is gonna show us how they like put together this badass outfit, and I'm liking their content. So we're coming here whenever I want to like not be a bitch. Sorry, it's fun sometimes to be a shithead. I need to make my, I'm gonna just put it here. New file, requirements.txt, and then I'm gonna want, can I just capture this like a game? Does this work like this? Because I just finished setting this shit up. Like, it's not gonna be in the way. It's not gonna be like creepy. It's not gonna do creepy shit. Does it work? Does it work? View log. Attempting to capture code.exit. Capture stopped. Attempting to capture code.exit. Capture stopped. Attempting to capture code.exit. Hold on. Wrong one. You're staying here with me. I'm gonna see if this is like a thing that it usually has like a blacklist or a whitelist. Hold on. What's it called again? Oh. Because there's gotta be a way to edit the blacklist and whitelist too. Oh, see, it's in the forms. I always read shit in another browser in case I get sent somewhere fucking weird by accident. You never fucking know. You never want to fuck around and find out. You'd like to see a blacklist implemented so that OBS is appointed in 2016? That's an old ass post. That is fucking ancient. That is ancient, brother. Do I just have to build this myself? Okay. Blacklist, XX, Explorer, Steam, Battle.net. I thought this read gay client. It says Galaxy client. I thought it said gay client. I don't ask. I see the first letter. My brain caught a letter. I saw another letter at the start of this word. And my brain just assembled gay client or something. I don't fucking know. Like, I have reading comprehension difficulties some days. Eat my ass. You don't know the codes? That's not the problem. You're gonna continue to learn. I'm not sorry. You're gonna, like, be stuck with me. And as a result, so this is just like a set of things that are blacklisted. This answers for me if anything I'm trying to capture is blacklisted and makes it all make sense. The downside here is it stops Chrome. I would rather capture the browser and Discord with this, but technically I have desktop, not Discord, so maybe I overcome this and I have Brave and LibreFox, not Chrome, and Firefox respectively, so maybe. I don't actually know. What if I wanted to show the Windows Store to you? How dare they block me from showing the Windows Store to you? What absolute abhorrent shit stains. How dare they be this way? How dare they do such a thing? How dare they have the audacity, the writhing audacity, the unmet fucking capriciousness of these shitheads? How dare they? Hold on. Is there a way to change the render method for not for OBS, for fucking VS Code? That would be nice if I can change the render method, right? Yeah, that would be legit. Render experimental white space rendering SVG font off. I'll go with SVG. I'll take something I can't click. Render thing, render final, new line. Capture VS Code OBS. Has anyone else hit this? Like, and if so, why? Like, has anyone else disabled GP? What? Oh my fuck, I can turn off the GPU shit for VS Code? God, tits. Okay, save my requirements.txt. Don't do that. Set the Olama version that I need. Olama run, no. Where's the thingy I was reading? Oh my gosh, what version do you put? You don't put any version. You just say grab the latest. Can I do latest in this? I forgot. I don't remember how to do this. You don't do Python here. Where do you even write this? What the? Where's the GitHub? No, where's your GitHub? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Where's your GitHub? Where's your GitHub? Shut the fuck up. Don't you tell me how to live my life. Clicking on anything but Git. Why are you trying to put fucking... Oh, that's your domain. That makes sense. That's Discord. I guess that's fine. Your own domain, though, is a .discord for easy redirect. That's clever. That's quite mindful. Let's see. You got an Insta and a Reddit, and you try to put all of these ahead of what I want to read. What an absolute fucking banger of a way to live your life. How dare you? I do want to fuck with this. I really do want to have the robot delete messages if it has to. And there's like, you know, there's an infinitely easy way to do this in a way that might like be so kind as to allow me to robotically moderate Kick, which is gonna make me robotically moderate everything, which is gonna make me make this modular and have this quickly and easily running on Windows and Linux. And we're just gonna sit here with our fingers up our fucking bum and regret that anything made me. This is what happens when we fucking dare, my bruh. We're not gonna give us a chat interface. We're gonna go hard. Okay, so. So, wait, how do I send a... I need to go read it. Oh no. Can I close this? What's this? I'm sure someone's published something here. It can't be just me. It can't be just me. Basic AI chat command. I know, I want basic moderation. I want this to moderate my shit. Like, you think I want to fucking do this myself? You think I want to have to open a Kick tab and moderate it from bots? Hell no, dude. I want help doing this. Brother. If I could capture VS Code, we'd be ballin' right now. I could make a capture for it. Okay, y'all. Any objection to VS Code? Okay, cool, we're adding it. I like how I was, totally waiting for an answer and not just on some bullshit bitch shit where I'm like, no, I'm just gonna do what I want. I like how I totally had a bit of couth there. And I'm totally not just like lying about having couth and being a fucking bitch about it. Totally. I like that. It's very nice. Very classy. Very peak class and strawberry and raspberry ass flavored, if you ask me. I feel quite classy. Window capture. I guess you're capturing just VS Code, buddy, so that's your name. Wait, what do I name you? Is it just this? How do I do this? I don't know. Code.exec. Thanks, brother. Do the Windows 10 capture method. Force standard definition, because it's a fucking text editor. Same executable, same name and type, brother. Let's go. Paste filters, yes. And then I want to paste the alignment data, which would match how we do the browser. Wait, why would I do that? The browser's fucked up too. What the fuck? Hold on. Hold the front door. Edit transform. Top left? The fuck are you doing? Center right, was it? No, not that one. No, cancel. Yes! Okay. What is it? Shift E? Or Control E? Control E. Positional alignment bounding box type. Alignment bounding box? There we go. Center rat. There we go. And then I can copy the fucking alignment data from here. And then, I didn't notice that I fucked that up till now. And I'll paste it here, and I'll do a similar here. What? Okay, cool. And then, what? Yeah, sure. And then a similar here, because I was raised right. And, that's fine, and that's fine, and that's fine. What's this? Okay, cool. And that's fine. Helldivers? With Helldivers not just you. Sorry, I thought you were calling me a stupid Helldivers, and I was like, yes, I agree, it sometimes is, but it's still a fine game. It's just kind of like, you know, I'd rather listen to Dark Souls OSTs some days. Not every day, just some days, right? Like, sometimes it's what's up. Some days I just want a Dark Souls OST. I don't know why, it's just a thing. I don't get it, man, it's just how it is. It's like, sometimes you don't get it, but you just get it, right? Like, clearly, sometimes you just have to get it. I installed the Scene Tree plugin because I was tired of struggle busing with stuff. So, that's fine. That's fun. I mean, it actually is fine and fun, that's the thing. Remove. Delete this folder. No one likes it. So, browser, camera, show game, show Discord. There we go. Why show Discord at the top? That's like the least important one, next to show VLC. It's about to be next to show VS Code, which I think, good day today, I guess. I hadn't had to, like, yet, you know, pretend to be like a hard ass or anything, so I suppose that's always a boon, right? Did you have a good day today? I could have pretended to be a hard ass and probably still had a good day. It's just like, I just presume pretending to be a hard ass, like, directly correlates to being a shit scrub and getting your shit shoved in, you know? Like, maybe I'm wrong, I don't know. Copy the background, go over here, put it behind VS Code. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, here, check it. I've had fun, so this might be hard to see. I can make it bigger. Oh gosh, it's gonna look so fucking disgusting. Holy shit, it's gonna look gross. So here's our project, OBS Studio Portable. It's in my, like, root directory of my home and shit. So here we have alerts getting stored on their own, right? And then all this audio, for whatever reason, I also stored transcriptions of everything. Oh, because I run StoryKit against it. So we have transcriptions as well as, like, I have no idea. Here's the SRT. I think in order to change the world, you have to acknowledge what it is. That one. We have our JSON, which contains all of this, yet again. And I think that's pretty solid, right? So with everything, we'll have the text. And this is why I'm gonna have a little computer machine help me, right? Because clearly, I don't want to deal with it myself. And a computer machine can eat this and figure it the fuck out so I don't have to. Now, I don't have this file format for everything, but this is the result of my favorite file format that I use locally ever, right? So why do I like this? For attribution's sake, silly goose. Clearly, I have class. I'm making this about as big as my web browser, so we, like, have some kind of parity between some services here if it fucking kills us. Alright, so now we can go do this shit together. I like that. I really like that. So I'm managing this with StoryKit for the transcriptions. That's neither here nor there. The point is that we have all of our audio. We've got our video clips all stored into MP4s. I normalized the audio. No, I don't think I normalized the audio. I'm taking care of them. I'll fix it up later. I have Handbrake. I'm not afraid to use it. Will win. Fight me. Let's see. I love all the more oral ones. It's a shame that you can actually view this inside of VS Code. If I knew this 10 seconds ago, I wouldn't have started this sentence like, it's a shame that you... Because then, like, all of a sudden, it was like, oh shit. You can do some shit. No, hold on. I need to, like, find where the sound's routed and, like, put it in the right place. Hold on. Where is this? What's this? Who's this? This is LibreWolf. Eat my ass. No. Where the fuck is this? Where is the VS Code? It has no sound. Oh, it can't play sound in here. I guess that's fine. So anywho's, just like having all of these stored conveniently is how we're gonna start dealing with this. Now, what I want to do is likely put together a local service that I will have serve data from alerts, and I'll just like web service this up and access it either with both like network file storage as well as like a web server for a decent bit of it, you know? I'll try to make this accessible as fuck for myself, and I'll keep it all running inside of here and all super cozy, and it'll be super, super tight, and we'll have super, super fun doing it. That's my point here. So all we've done here is this. And we're gonna start with their like default interface and figure it out from here. We're gonna see if we can also have like Copilot help us through it, because I went to try to give it a whirl and it's running off of a local language model, not a remote one. So I'm a little bit more okay fucking with this. Then we're gonna play a game intermittently, because this game has been running and I finally decided to like fully change outfit and I found absolute peak fashion souls. And yeah, no, right? Brother, right? Dude. Oh, brother. Look at this top. It's kind of cool. Our jeans are the perfect color for jeans. Like, I might be picky about my jeans IRL, but, you know.